to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video I will guide you through a process of drawing realistic hair step by step, whether you just started and looking to something to improve your skills. So yeah, I'm here for you. I will show you how you can draw the natural fluency of hair, all of those deepest darkest shadows, and what actually makes your hair looks realistic, natural. So yeah, grab your supplies and let's just dive into it. Okay, so first we are starting with the outline, and I already covered that topic, how to draw the outline, on my this one video. I'll cover everything, like how you can draw how to shade on hair, how you can draw the outlines, and how you can draw the highlights. Like I already cover all the hair process on this one video, but I made this one video because some of those things is missing on that one video, some of the topics that I didn't cover on this one video, so that's why I made this one video. But the outline one topic I'm not going to cover on this one video. So if you didn't watch that one video, go first watch that one video and then come back, and I promise you will learn how you can draw the outline, and I really makes it easy for you. So yeah, go first watch that one video and then come back. After outlining, I make it lighter with the knead eraser, and now I'm using the F grade pencil to make the for the first layer actually, and trying to draw the natural fluency of the hair, the way that hair naturally grows. I'm trying to capture every hair, every important hair stroke. I'm trying to draw the every important hair stroke. Every important hair stroke means that the hair stroke that our eye catch the first, the hair that is on the front, that our eyes is catching the first. So I'm trying to draw that hair strokes. Like, you just don't need to draw every single hair stroke, like it's so hard. Now I just blend it out, and again I'm using the brick red pencil. And I'm starting with the darkest areas first, because if you know me, I always say the darkest are first, because when you draw the darkest areas first, you have an idea that how your hair is going to be looks like, what you need to do after that, and you see the realisticness in your drawing, the depth in your drawing, the liveness in your drawing when you draw the darkest areas first. And not in just the hair, when you are drawing the eyes, the darkest are first, the lips darkest are first, the nose darkest are first, the face the darkest are first. But it's not mean that you pick the darkest pencil first. No, you for example, you pick the F grade pencil first, you do the lightest shade, blend it out, and then again you pick the F grade pencil first. But you need to start with the darkest, you need to focus on the darkest areas first. Okay, so after drawing the all the hair strokes with the F grade pencil and focus on the darkest area, now I'm using the 4B grade pencil, and again I'm focus on the darkest areas more and the less focus on the lightest area. I'm trying to focus on the directions of the hair. Like, you just don't need to draw the every single hair, so like just look at the hair and then draw just like that, and then again just no, it's take forever. You need to understand the directions, because if you understand the direction, you are win, you knows everything. The directions are important. You just don't need to focus on the hair stroke, that oh, this hair stroke is just like that and draw like that. No, just understand the directions of the hair, every hair clump's direction, that which direction the hairs are, and then draw it. You just need to make the hair looks like a hair, but the directions are important. Like, you don't need to just look at that this stroke is just like this and this one is like this. No, understand the directions and then draw the hairs. You need to make it looks realistic. Like here I blended out, and again I'm using the 4B grade pencil, and after blending, now upon that blend I'm drawing the hair stroke. Like, it's just like I'm drawing the, like, I think that I'm drawing every single hair stroke just like that. You can see, just like that. And then I'm using the pencil eraser because I'm not going to use the supply that everyone's can afford and everyone's don't have. I'm not going to use the advanced supplies. I'm just using the supplies that everyone's have, like the pencil eraser everyone's have. And now you can see that after drawing the darkest area and some hair strokes, now I blend it out and I'm using the tip of the the pencil eraser to draw the highlights. And again now I'm using the F-grade pencil again. I'm drawing the hair stroke. Now I blend it out a bit because the highlights are a bit too much. And now again I'm using the 5 grade pencil, the 5B grade pencil, sorry. And again I'm drawing the hair stroke, blend it out using the 6 grade pencil again. And I'm saying that I just try to draw the hair stroke, like I'm not looking the actual picture and see that this hair is like that. No, after blending I'm just trying to draw the every single hair stroke, like not from the picture but from my brain, because I know the directions, I know that which direction the hairs actually are. Now I just don't need to look too much on the picture. I'm only looking at the picture when I'm drawing the highlights, because of course I need to draw the highlights like the actual hair, but I'm not going to look the hairs like the every single hair stroke. No, because I understand the directions, I know how the directions are, the which direction the hairs are. And now again after blending, now again I'm using the F grade pencil for the last layer, if I say. And I'm just working on this piece of hair until I see the realisticness, until I just feel that now I'm done. I'm just working on it until I feel the realisticness, I feel the depthness on it. Now again I just blend it out to make it like to I blend it out. Like you think that why I just again blending and doing the highlights, because then actual life the highlights are not like that much highlight like in the drawing life. The hair the if you draw the if you draw the highlight, you just don't need to make it too much white, because if it's too much white it looks kind of cartoony. So you need to blend it out, you need to blend it out, the highlights. You need to do a little bit blending on the highlights and then again draw the highlights again, because if you just blend it out and again draw the highlights, so it's have the shadow. Like if you just focus on the highlight area, the highlighted area, you see that somewhere it's a bit dark and somewhere it's so much light. So you need to draw the actual highlight, the actual looking highlight in this. And now this is the part, the most important part, and my favorite part is the messy hair, the messy flyaway hair, because this is actually what if you remember I said the first the starting of the video that I will tell you that what actually the make the hair looks live, make the hair looks realistic, is that messy hair. The messy hair, like in actual life it's not good, everyone don't like the messy flyaway hair, but in the drawing life the messiness is everything, the messy hairs is everything, the messiness means the messy flyaway hairs is everything. I really like it. If your actual reference don't have the messy flyaway hair, you need to draw the messy flyaway hair, because this is everything. This is what the makes your drawing looks realistic. And now I am done here. I hope that you liked the video, I hope you learned something. Yeah. You liked today's video. I hope you learned something. I hope you feel more confident to just start your drawing here. And if you have any question and anything, just comment down below. I would really like to answer you and help you through your art journey. And thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.